For the filling of our fresh lumpia, we have ikama right here. This is what ikama looks like. Sliced in julienne style, and so with the carrots. We have the purple yam. I'm using fresh shrimps. We have bean sprouts. We have cabbage. We have ground pork. We have garlic, shallot, and white onion. Alright, let's get started. The pan is heated, so let's put the vegetable oil in. Shrimp first, because, you know, I don't want to cook it together with the pork, since the shrimp cooks really fast. So let's add the white onion. I seasoned ahead of time my shrimp with garlic, pepper, and soy sauce. Let's add it in. Just toss it. As soon as it turns yellow, we're going to take it out before I will saute the others. It'll probably take 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so it took only 2 minutes, and now it's cooked. So we're going to take out the shrimp before we saute the rest. Let's add the pork, ground pork. It's lean pork. I have here salt and seasoning here. Let's add it. I'd like to put also fresh pepper. Let's just mix it. Let's cook it by covering it for 3 minutes. Alright, let's check. 3 minutes. It's ready. Let's add our oyster sauce just to give it a little taste. Perfect, because we have our shrimp. Okay. Let's mix. And let's add the sweet potato, our purple yam, as well as carrots. Let's add the ikama later, because this one can be cooked, and I like eating this fresh too. This is in replacement of what we call as the ubod in the Philippines, which is basically the heart of the coconut. Oh, that one is really good. It's so sweet, but we don't have it here, so we're just gonna use ikama. Okay, this is really good. Fresh. Mix it up and cover it for maybe just 2 minutes before adding the ikama. Yeah, got the lid on, and we'll wait for 2 minutes. Alright, let's check it. There you go. Almost done. Let's add the ikama. Mix it. Let's add the bean sprouts. And just a little water. Mix it. Cover it for a minute. And then let's put the cabbage later. Let's add the fish sauce, we call it patis. Mix. Ah, look at that. Looks good. I'm going to add the shrimp back here. Shrimp. And the final is the cabbage. Cover it for a minute. Let's mix it. Alright, so if you notice, we have sauce in here, right? That would be really good for our sauce later. Instead of just water, we're going to use a sauce. So we'll drain this one, we'll strain it, take out the liquid, and we'll use that liquid for the sauce. Okay. So we have 3 eggs. We're just going to beat our eggs. And then we'll add our oil, vegetable oil. That's 1 tablespoon. We're gonna add another tablespoon of oil, and then mix. We will add the water. We have 1 cup of water. Mix it. And I will 1 and then 1/2 of milk. Mix it. Right, while stirring, let's add slowly. Let's add the flour slowly. Okay, so it's heated really low. I'm gonna put oil in here. Put a little bit of there we go. It will cook for, let's see, for 1 minute. 1.5 minutes. Let's make a nice circle of stuff. Evenly thick. After 1 minute, you can tell because when you move it, you can actually move it right now. I like it. I want to flip mine because I want to give it a little bit of that. Oh, it looks like a pancake. Let's transfer it to our pan. That's our second one. Slide. Alright, let's dissolve the 4 tablespoons of sugar. You can use brown sugar, it doesn't matter. Dissolve it. From the sauteed shrimp, pork, and vegetable. I drained it, so we got the sauce. And this is really good, so we cannot put this aside, but put it into, you have that purple because of our purple yam. You can see the purple color there. Alright, we'll add the cornstarch as soon as it's sort of like, when it starts to boil. Okay, so now it starts to boil. I'm gonna add, I have your cornstarch dissolved in water. Let's add it to thicken our sauce. I forgot we need to add soy sauce in here. Let's add soy sauce. Let's add soy sauce. Just a little bit of soy sauce. And stir it out. And add the remaining of the cornstarch. This is perfect. See? Ah, the sauce is ready. Alright, so we're not ready to wrap up, but first of all, we're gonna prepare something for the wrapping, which is the garlic. And I have the minced garlic, and I'm gonna add olive oil in here. And we have to mix that up, of course. I need to put a little bit of a fresh black pepper in here. We'll put paprika. And black pepper. We'll mix it. I think I'm gonna add a little more olive oil here. Okay. Here's our egg wrapper. We're going to use the brush because we need the oil and the garlic flavor in here. Brush it. We're going to here like that. Soften it. Mixture. We're gonna put some. We have cilantro, fresh cilantro. Then we're going to start wrapping it. Okay, so let's fold this one right here, like that. We want to make sure to fold this also, and like that. And this one, fold it in to kind of hold it. Okay, so here's our wrapped up fresh lumpia. We're gonna just add a little bit of decoration here. Let's put some oranges, cut up orange, and our sauce right there. There we go. We're gonna add the sauce on top. Let's do this. We have more sauce. And let's add the sauce right here. And we have combination of walnut and peanut right here, crushed. So let's put both on top. And here we go. Here is our final fresh lumpia. There you go. Garnished with sauce and walnut and peanut on top. I hope you had a great time cooking with me. And if you like it, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you all next time. Happy cooking, everyone! And thank you all for watching.